All right, excuse me as I come down these steps. I'm the stairmaster now, you know. Whew, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Sup Cheds? Welcome to my basement. My supersized, unfinished basement. And as you can hear, there's a lot of reverb in the background. Like, look at all this room. Look at all this space. I got space over here. This is a whole different area here. This is, look at, bro. All of this space. Yes, there is a lot of space in here, which means one thing. We need to get this basement finished ASAP. I'm currently streaming in my family room, and it's a little noisy in there, you know, because, you know, that's the same area where my wife be, so I'm trying to get this basement finished. But in able for me to get this basement finished, I need some products. I already have a budget set up, so these are the main things that I would need and able to get this basement finished with soundproof insulation and a green room, because this area will be the green room. This whole basement will be painted black. The floors will be all black. Even the bathroom, I'm gonna be in there like, so that being said, I am looking for some companies to help out with this basement as far as my project. This will be a dedicated project that I'm going to focus on all this year. So it may not be done all this year, but I will hope to get it done all this year. So this is what I am looking for as far as, you know, any companies that would like to help out or love to help out. The first thing I would need is mounts. So I would need like mounts for my consoles, my PCs, if I plan on putting them, you know, either on the desk or on the wall, you know, make it look good and give me more space to do the stuff that I love to do. I mean, I really can't talk about space, but I would like to have the space looking good. Lighting. So, you know, I'm still going to be using my Elgato key lights. Shout out to Elgato. We're going to be using our key lights for, you know, the time being as far as in the green room and in this area once this area is finished. Decor lighting. So I really thought about getting some decor lighting done in here. With it being all black, I feel like the lighting will show a lot more as far as like the stuff that I plan on getting. I'm working with a company right now as far as decor lighting because I wanted to get like, you know, my favorite games and I wanted to put them over the wall. It's gonna require some USB power, but that leads to the next thing that I'm gonna talk about, cable management. Okay, we're gonna need a lot of that. So I'm looking for some cable management. You know, I wanna make sure that everything is out of the way. There's no cables here, there, or everywhere. The only cable that you are able to see is my controller wire. And shoot, I don't even want that to be showing. So yeah, cable management, I'm looking for some of that too. Bring it on, bring it on. I will need shelving and storaging because in that back area there, that will be the, you know, the storage area for all the other stuff that I have. It's gonna be like the chilling area. This area is gonna be the, you know, main streaming area. That's gonna be the green room. And, you know, gonna be looking for some shelving, gonna be looking for some, you know, some assistance with that. So any companies out there that wanna help out with shelving and storaging, hit me up. I'm always available, hit me up. Soundproof panels and fabric. I need this. This is the main reason why I decided, hey, I want to get into a house that I can be able to soundproof everything and have my own little area without interrupting anything that my wife's doing, and she ain't interrupting anything I'm doing. So I am definitely looking for some soundproof fabric, some soundproof panels. So therefore I can be able to make this whole area just quiet. I want it to be very quiet. Hunting rabbits. You know, it's showing the volume, but the average that's in here is like 31. I wanted to always say low. Like it's saying low now because I'm not talking, but that reverb is still there. I wanted to be low every time, especially when they use the bathroom, because over here it's like a big old, like it's like a pipe that goes down and like you can hear everything, and as you can see the pipes up here, it's a lot of sound coming from there. So I don't want that while I'm, you know, trying to record music or trying to do some stuff and then all you hear is like the water flowing through. It's like, ugh, somebody just used your bathroom. Yeah, we don't want that. So remember that pipe I was telling y'all about that has like a lot of like sound? This is the pipe right here. Like this is the pipe, main sewage. So whatever is happening in this house, as far as the toilets, it goes through here. Yeah, it does. It makes a lot of noise. You know, it's like the volume is like 45 to 50, and it's like, imagine hearing all that while you're in the studio. Yeah, you hear all that? That's crazy, right? So yeah, all this is coming through here. Everything that we do in this house as far as the bathroom, it goes through here. So that means I gotta hear that. So yeah, this would definitely be soundproof. Definitely gonna see if they can be able to, you know, push that in as well. And then the last thing would be electronics and also a mesh connection, because I cannot get a connection down here in the basement, because like I said, it's the way they got it hooked up is all on the main floor. So that being said, I'm looking for a mesh connection, therefore I can be able to connect it to the gateway up top and then bring it down here and have more connections, because I plan on having the following. I'm gonna have a stream set up in the green room. I'm gonna have a stream set up out here. Like this would be the main area. And then over there, I might have a stream set up for like unboxing, reviewing, and shoot, even doing vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, like this is what the vision that I have in my mind. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are able to get this project done this year, that would be great. Like I said, I'm looking for some assistance as far as, you know, a few companies wanting to be a part of this project. I'm not asking for anything financially, because, you know, that has never been my style. I always wanted to make sure that when I do something, I take care of it, you know, with my money. I take care of it with, you know, with what I have. As far as taking care of this basement, I believe that we can be able to do that this year. I hit up a few companies as far as, you know, wanting to help out with the basement project. If you guys know any companies, or if you guys know anyone that, you know, can lead me to the right direction, that would be great. I would definitely love that. Guys, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, this is part 1 of my unfinished basement. And I hope that you guys come back for the next project and the next project and the next project, because we're going to continue to show off the basement until it's fully finished. And when it's fully finished, I'm gonna give you a tour anyway. So thank you for watching. Until then, GG's, y'all.